the garage door opener stopped working. The button is very hard to press. This other one clicks. If I press this button, no, the garage door does not open up at all. So let's see what we can do. Looks like there's one screw. I'm just going to remove that and pop open this plastic. Alright, so that button works and that button does not click at all. What I'm going to do is, since I hardly ever use this button, I'm going to swap them. To do so, I have to use a solder iron. Here's the button. Just pushing the pins straight up a little bit. Basically, I need to just make these leads go up straight. Put them straight. It's a little bit of heat, a little pressure. Come right out. Oh, actually, they are loose already. So that's done. Next one. Alright, so as you can see, 2 pins are out. 2 more to go. There we go. It's out. Now let's take off the other one. Same way. Alright, so I got both buttons off. I'm just going to clean up the pads with some solder wick right here. Now all I'm doing is just put the working button in here. Now I could go on to mouse or digi key and get another button, but just the shipping alone is probably going to be cost more than buying a new remote. Now I'll just solder it back on. Since I don't need the other button up there, I'm just going to leave it alone. So what happened is that the pad on this one is gone, but that's okay since it's just a switch. So let's put it back together and see if it works. tight. Oh, I don't know if you can hear it, but it works.